Hey guys, welcome back to the Easy Auto channel. I bought this 2010 Toyota Prius. The reason I buy that because I need help from you guys to make the number of subscribers of this channel go over 1,000. If you like this video, please subscribe and share. That will help the channel growth. Thanks in advance. My Honda Pilot, you see that? Have that like a common rust spot. So it's a structural rust. So I want to fix it. But the problem is I don't know how to weld, so I need to learn it. So it will take me some time. So that's why I bought this for my new daily. Let's walk around. It's a really nice car. I have this for about like 2 months. So put about like 1,500 miles on it. And it's pretty good. High burst energy drive. Have this like a cool looking LED tail light, which is good. And then the cool thing is the car's locked, but once I touching it with the key fob in my pocket, you can unlock it without the key, or without like taking out the key, which is kind of advanced technology back to 2010. It's pretty basic. Have kind of not basic. Have a full auto up and down power window. And then kind of a funny looking steering wheel. I still have a CD player. Here's a climate control. It looks decent. Setup, no knobs, but it's okay. Simple enough to read. I have a joystick for the shifter. And they have a push start, which is kind of great. A cup holder. And I have another cup holder here hidden. And I have a decent sized copy. I believe it have a 12 volt. Oh, and the aux is there. Okay, so now I know where the aux is, which is great. Have extra storage here. I put my tape measure. So again, swing by Home Depot and do some quick measurement to see what it can fit in this a little hatchback. 2 pedal, 1 gas, 1 brake, pretty standard. And here's the mirror control, dashboard light. And then the nice thing about this car, I have a lot of storage. They have a top and a bottom one, which is great. Here's the back seat. It can fit a car seat pretty good for my kid. And then still have another seat for adult. So this is what the back seat look like. It's pretty standard. And I believe have a center armrest. And the 2 cup holders, which is great. And then I think I got a pretty good deal because the dealer installed a new tire on this Prius. Some brand I never heard about it. Aventa. And then the model number is ER800. Don't know what brand it is. Let's see. It have some rating on it. Right here. Track wear is a 400. And the traction says A. The temperature is A. I don't know how accurate this reading is. But one thing I for sure, I drove this Prius almost 2 months. Has been 2 winter storm. It drove decent on about 1.5 inches snow, which I would say is pretty surprised on unknown branded tire. So let's open the trunk. You have quite a bit of space, and they have that like a privacy shade. And then this, I think this generation of Prius have a spare. Maybe? Oh yeah, it does. Wow. So here's the spare. And also have extra storage. Have a top. Yeah, this car is small when you look at outside, but like it have quite a bit of like a storage, which is good for me for like a step down from a Honda Pilot to like a Prius size wise. I think the only problem about this car is right here. Have a cracked bumper on the passenger front. That's okay. I think I can do some plastic welding and then probably like a patch it with something. Let's look under the hood. That one don't have a hood strut. Oh, here's the. Wow, but still have that like a strut rod, whatever they want to call. And here's the engine. Here's the inverter. Yeah, and the dealership did a great job. It's just like probably deep clean the whole vehicle, even the engine bay. So oh, and also the good thing is like all the fluid you can tell is like up to date. This is the coolant for the inverter is bright red, which is the Toyota coolant. And then here's the engine coolant. It's also bright red in the right at the full mark. And then same thing on the brake fluid is max. The reason it's max because the dealership also installed a new brake pad and do a wheel alignment on this like a Prius. Which is, let's start the car. Alright, let's go outside to see if this car has like a dead rattle for cold start. Alright, seems I don't have a dead rattle on this like a Prius. This is a 2010, so it's like a first body style of the Gen 3. I look on internet, they say a lot like a dead rattle on like this generation due to the EGR cooler and the valve maybe like a carbon up got plugged or stuck open. So they have like and then like the EGR port at the intake manifold maybe got like a block as well, so the EGR flow is different and cause like a misfire. And when misfire, they don't transfer like a constant torque to the ECVT planetary gear inside the ECVT. So like that misfire and the unstable torque make that like a planetary gear to like make red or like something like that. So probably once the weather get warmer here, I will clean the EGR valve and clean the EGR cooler, and then clean off this like EGR pipe and clean up all the port in the intermanifold. Oh, and then the dealer also gave me the new air filter too, which is like great. It saved me almost like I think that all the stuff they did on this car, it saved me $2,000 already. New tire, wheel alignment, new air filter, new cabin filter, oil change, cooling change. Oh, this generation has like a 3 mode, EV mode, eco mode, and power mode. EV mode is not like, you cannot drive that thing at like 40 miles per hour for like 25 plus miles. No, you cannot. That one's just like it will run the vehicle at low speed as long as it can in the neighborhood to make it quiet. That's it. It can be just like 5 mile, 10 mile, for like not a whole lot, because the battery in this car is so small. Yeah, it's not like the plug-in hybrid, it's a regular hybrid. Eco mode, that one just like I want to get the engine shut off as much as you can on the highway to maximize the highway fuel economy. The power mode, that would mean the engine always on, because like they want to get the maximum power out from the engine, working with the electric motor to give the max horsepower. I think like 138 total, maybe something like that. Yeah, and have like a kill joystick. You can go to reverse and give it like a beep beep. Make sure they tell you, oh, you are in reverse now. Kind of annoying sometimes, but I think there's like you can buy a tune to turn it off. Now I'm in drive. Oh man, sorry about the flicking stuff. Alright, so my fuel economy so far is about like a 42 miles per gallon. Yeah, it's close to the like around the 40 range, 42 range on this unknown brand tires. Yeah, I believe these tires are more like just like a regular tire. It's not those like a high fuel efficiency or the low rolling resistant tire, like the one like is supposed on the Prius. But it's new. Yeah, now it's around like 42 miles per gallon. I'm happy with it. That's it, guys. I want to show you my new daily. Yeah, because my Honda needs some work. You consider buying this. Probably make sure you have like a clean Carfax report. Like this one, the oil change always change every like 7,000 miles, and then like almost, and then at the end of the Carfax list have all the dealer work where I got this vehicle. Yeah, as I said, new tire wheel alignment, new air filter, oil change, new cabin filter, new coolant, new brakes. So pretty much like yeah, kind of new everything. Alright, thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.